In my previous video, I talked about the domain name system or the DNS and its workings. I also talked about two of its flaws and assured you, the viewers, that I would provide their solutions in this video. So, if you have not watched that video, go check it out. The link is in the description. But you have already watched the video or you know how the DNS works, this video should make complete sense. Even if you do not understand how the DNS works, you can still implement the solutions to make your internet experience faster and safer. If a website switches servers or server locations, then the IP will change. This is where our problem 1 begins. This server change is also communicated to the name servers. But since the previous and the now wrong IP for that website is already stored temporarily by the resolver, it leads us to the wrong IP and we may get the weird 404 not found errors. This slows down the process considerably. Now the DNS caching, which was meant to speed up the process, slows the process down. The easiest way to fix this is to clear the DNS cache so that the DNS acquires the new and correct IP address of the website and does not show the 404 not found errors. Even for perfectly correct URLs like google.com, sometimes the DNS just shows those 404 not found errors because of this problem, but after implementing this solution, it won't. This solution is only relevant to the Windows computer operating system. I do not know the procedure in a Mac or in a Linux based system, but I'll provide you with the links to relevant videos in the description. I'm going to lead you into this step by step. Okay, let's start. Click on the Windows logo at the bottom left of your screen. Type the letters CMD without spaces. Click on this icon that says Command Prompt. A window like this should open. Now, without clicking anywhere else, start typing this ipconfig /flushdns and then press enter. I've also provided this text down in the description. This message will be displayed. The message reads, Windows IP configuration successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. This means that we have just successfully cleared the cache and have solved the problem. The procedure in Android is slightly different and can vary from phone to phone, but I'll still tell you the specifics. Okay, so the steps for Android are like this. First, go to settings and then scroll down till you find the apps section and click on apps. If you are shown a list of apps, then skip this step. Otherwise, go to the option that says apps or all apps or a list of apps or something like that. Then once all the apps have loaded, which will take some time, then search for the browser that you use most frequently. For me, it's Chrome. So I search for Chrome and then click on Chrome to go here. Then click on storage. Click on the clear cache option. Now, depending on how big your cache is, after some time it will say 0 bytes or 0B. That means that we are done. Problem 2. Hackers can switch the IP addresses for a popular website like Facebook to a false website inside your DNS resolver's memory. This false website may look a lot like Facebook and may be used to get your username and password. The way to rectify this is to use a public DNS like Google. The one that I use is by Cloudfare. I found out that not only is it more secured, but because it has a larger cache, my speed has also improved. The link to their website if you want to check out their features is in the description. Again, these steps are for Windows only, and I leave the links to videos for Mac and Linux in the description of this video. Click on the Windows logo at the bottom left of your screen. Type in Settings and click on the Settings app. Now, go to Network and Internet. Go to Status, scroll down and click on Network and Sharing Center. Now on the left hand side, click on Change Adapter Settings. Now you will have a list of connections to the internet. If you want to find out which one it is that you are connected by, watch the first video of this series. The link is in the description. Right click on the adapter you are using and click on Properties. For doing this, you need to be an administrator. If you are not, then go and watch this video. The link is in the description to see how you can be converted to one. But moving on. Now, double click on the option that reads Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IP v4, and make sure that you click on the name and not the checkbox. Click on the Use the following DNS server address option, and then you'll have noticed that a cursor appears over here beside the preferred DNS server text box. Now do exactly as I say, okay? Type in 1 right arrow, 1 right arrow, 1 right arrow, and then a 1 again. Now when you have 4 ones that are separated by 3 full stops, click tab on your keyword, tab, tab. Then repeat the process but with different numbers. 1 right arrow, 0 right arrow, 0 right arrow, and 1. Now you have the number 1001 separated by 3 full stops. Then press enter. We are back on this screen. Now scroll down to Internet Protocol version 6 TCP IP v6 and double click on the name. Then go here and select Use the following DNS server address, and then type in what I am typing in right now. Now once you have these numbers, by the way these numbers are in the description, once you have these numbers, click on OK and then click on OK again. We are done and dusted. Now we have made our internet more secure and faster. So I have more videos on the internet relating to the internet, its structure, how you can improve your experience, and we'll upload them soon. So subscribe down below, click on the bell icon and set the setting to all notifications so as to never miss a video from Beginner Science. And please like, share and comment. Stay home and stay safe.